As I was getting ready to pressure wash my driveway, I thought I'd show you guys the new surface cleaner attachment I got. It's unlike any other I've seen. So after we got the driveway all soapy, here it is. Looks like any other surface cleaner at first, but after we finish pressure washing, I'm going to show you the secret. A little back and forth, up and down. I don't think this driveway's ever been cleaned before. There's something so satisfying about pressure washing. Moving all the debris out of the way into the neighbor's yard. I've just seen that before and after. This little 13-inch surface cleaner is small but very powerful. I mean, this driveway was basically black before. And this is one pass, no soap. Big difference. Honestly, really enjoy pressure washing. Or just watching pressure washing videos. Look at all that dirt. This surface cleaner has a hidden trick. When you pull the little levers, the wheels flip around, and you can actually flip it over, and now you have a bidet. Or you can use it to clean underneath your car. If you ever gone mudding or just had a rainstorm, or maybe you never cleaned the bottom of your car before.